Welcome to all. Myself, Dr. Shivakumar, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. In this video, I am going to teach you how to do integration by using scientific calculator. There are n number of calculators available in the market. I am considering Casio FX991MS calculator for example. Now let me explain. Consider an example, integral 0 to 1 x dx. We all know the procedures, x square by 2, then applying upper limit minus lower limit, we get 1 by 2 or 0.5. Now let me explain how to do this by using this calculator. First, on this calculator, and see here integral symbol is there. So press this integral symbol. Then for putting x, press alpha and the right bracket. That is the rose color and this rose color. So alpha bracket. Then you will get x. Then for applying the limits, first put comma. Then put the lower limit first, 0 and comma, and then press the upper limit 1. Then press equal to. You will get the answer 0.5. For proper fraction, if we press this AB by C button, then we get 1 by 2. So the answer is 1 by 2 or 0.5. Now let me explain another one example. Consider the second example, integral minus 1 to 1 y power 4 dy. So the answer is 2 by 5 or 0.4. Now let me explain how to do by this calculator. So for any variable like y or x, only we have to use x only in the calculator. Don't use y. So take y equal to x. Then the problem will be modified as integral minus 1 to 1 x power 4 dx. So see this calculator. First press the integral symbol. Then press alpha x. Then power 4, this cap button, and press 4. Then for applying the limit, press comma, then first press minus 1, that is the lower limit. Then put comma and press 1, the upper limit. Then press equal to. So it will take some time. It's like a mini computer. It takes some processing time. Let's see the answer. Yeah, it came. The answer is 0.4. You can see here 0.4. So this is also a proper fraction. So by pressing the button AB by C, we will get 2 by 5. 2 by 5. This is the answer. 2 by 5 or 0.4. Now let me explain another one example. Integral 0 to 10, 100 into x square minus 10x dx. So this type of problems will come in finite element analysis, structural analysis, and strength of material also. So let me explain how to do by this calculator. First press the integral symbol, then put again on bracket, then press 100 and put bracket alpha x square minus 10 alpha x then close the bracket, then press comma, then substitute the lower limit 0, comma, then upper limit 10, then press equal to. So the answer is minus 1666.67. If you press the inch button, you will get minus 16.667 into 10 power 3. This is the answer, minus 16.67 into 10 power 3. I hope you understand. Now consider another one example. Integral 0 to 1 2 plus x square minus x into x square minus x dx. So let me explain how to do by this calculator. First press the integral button, then again I am using another one bracket, then press 2 plus alpha x square button minus alpha x, then close the bracket, then again put another one bracket, alpha x square minus alpha x, then put another one bracket, then again I am using another one bracket. Let's see what will happen. Then press comma, then the lower limit 0, comma, the upper limit 1, then press equal to. So if you use double bracket at the end, the calculator will show syntax error. At that time, no need to get tense, just press the replay button. Then the cursor will show which is the wrong bracket we used. Just press the delete button. Then press equal to, we will get the answer. So it will take some time. So these kind of problems are oftenly come in finite element analysis. So the answer is minus 0.3. So the answer is minus 0.3. Now let me explain another one example. Integral 0 to 1 x square minus 2x minus 2 the whole square dx. Watch this. Press integral button and I am using another one bracket, alpha x square minus 2 alpha x minus 2, then close the bracket, put square, comma, lower limit 0, comma, upper limit 1, then press equal to. So the answer is 7.2. 7.2. Next, let me explain another one example. Integral 1 to 2 by x square into x cube minus 12x plus 1 dx. In similar fashion, we will do first press the integral button, then another one bracket, then press 2 divided by alpha x square, then close the bracket, then use another one bracket, alpha x cube. You can press shift x square or cap 3 minus 12 alpha x plus 1, then close the bracket, then press comma, then put the lower limit 1, then upper limit 2, comma 2, then press equal to. So the answer is minus 12.636. Minus 12.636. Let me explain another one example. Integration between the limits minus 1 to 1, 1 plus eta square plus eta cube d eta. You have to find this value. Once again I am repeating, for any variable, here the variable is eta, but we have to use x. If you use another symbols like y, etc., then the calculator will show 0. We must remember we have to always use x only. So change this eta into x. Now let me explain in calculator. Press the integration button, then press 1 plus alpha x plus alpha x square plus alpha x cube. Then for the applying the limit, press comma. First put the lower limit minus 1 comma plus 1, then press equal to. So the answer is 2.666. Already we got. So next, let me explain how to do trigonometric function by using calculator. We must remember that for using trigonometric functions, we must use the calculator in radian mode. Otherwise, we get wrong answer. So first, change the mode of the calculator into radian. Let's see here. First press mode, again press mode, then again press mode, again press mode. Now we get degree radian. So radian is number 2. So press 2. Now press the integral button. First example, integral minus 1 to 1 cos pi x by 2 dx. So first press the integral button, then press cos, then again I am using one bracket, shift pi, that means shift exponential button, we get pi, then alpha x divided by 2, then close the bracket, put comma, lower limit minus 1, then comma, upper limit 1, then press equal to. So the brackets we can practice. Sometimes if we get syntax error, just press the replay button and delete the bracket. So the answer is 1.27324. 1.27324. Now let me explain another one example. Consider this problem. Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. We all know the value pi by 4. The exact answer are 0.785 in fraction approximately. So let me explain how to do by this calculator. First press this integral button, then use another one bracket and then press cos alpha x, then put another one bracket square, then press comma 0 comma shift exponential, that is pi divided by 2, then press equal to. So the brackets, by practice we can easily handle how to put the brackets. So the answer is 0.785398163. I approximately written 0.785. So next, let me move into another one function, exponential function. So here we have to change our calculator into normal mode. Okay, don't use in radian mode. So change the mode into first. So minus 1 to 1 e power minus x dx. Let's see this calculator. Press the integral button, then shift ln. This is the symbol for e. Shift ln. Then minus x. I am using this minus bracket e power minus x. So I am using this symbol minus alpha x, then press comma minus 1 comma 1, then press equal to. Now we get the answer 2.3504. And let explain another one example. Integral minus 1 to 1 3 e power x plus x square plus 1 divided by x plus 2 dx. See the calculator. First press integration button, then put again another one bracket, then press 3, shift long, then you get e alpha x plus alpha x square plus the 1 by x plus 2 I am returning as x plus 2 inverse. So put one bracket alpha x plus 2, then close the bracket, then put the inverse button, then another one bracket comma minus 1 comma 1, then press equal to. So the answer is 8.8165. So such kind of many problems we can solve. These are very useful in finite element analysis, structural analysis, strength of materials, dynamics of machines, and many engineering field. But there is a caution. In strength of materials, we know on Macaulay's bracket function method or Macaulay's method. That is entirely different method. On that method, we cannot use this calculator. So I hope you understand all the steps. The brackets, we can, by practicing, we can easily apply the brackets. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share my channel. Have a pleasant life.